Hello, in front of me I have Amazfit Band 5 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this device. Before we start, your band needs to be paired with a phone via the Zep application. So once the devices are paired, we can continue and open the Zep application on our phone. In the application, once you open it, you should see the home page. Now let's tap on the profile icon, select the Amazfit Band 5 from the list of devices connected to your phone, and on this page, scroll down, find the option called language. It's right here. Tap on it, and you should see the list of languages you can apply on your watch, or rather smartband, my bad. Now, find the language you like to use, tap on it to select it, for example, Deutsch, and then tap on OK. After it's done, you can wake up the screen on your smartband, and as you can see, oh, it's not changed. That's weird. Oh no, now it changed. So basically it takes a couple seconds for it to apply. But as you can see, the language changed. Now let's bring it back to English quickly. Like this. And it's back. Okay. And once you're done changing the language, you can simply close the application. And that's how you change the language on this smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.